Is urging you to put this person on an information diet. For some of you, you are going towards a period of a lot of abundance, luck, and success. Some of you have experienced this in the now, or you are on your way to experiencing this. I'm talking about gaining critical acclaim, gaining a pay rise, getting a new job, gaining medals, trophies. This could also be in regards to your love life. Like, you could be getting hit on a lot, and spirit is asking you not to mention a word to certain people. Don't willingly give this information to others, because not everyone, unfortunately, is clapping for you. And spirit is asking you to put this person on an information diet, because you've been telling them too much. Listen, I've done it before, and then after, I've regretted doing so, because whatever I've told the person about, like, say I told a person, I want to do this, I want to do that. When I go to do this thing, it doesn't pop off. It doesn't work, because I've told the wrong person. Sometimes you can tell people and unconsciously they can sabotage it without realizing it, right? Or you sabotage yourself because you told the person already. And I've read somewhere that if you tell people something, your brain tricks you into thinking that it's done already, then you don't do it. But this ain't one of them. This is someone that is jealous of you. This is someone that doesn't want to see you win. And I feel like if you tell them voluntarily the wrong information, and don't get me wrong, they'll start prodding around, fishing. Don't mean you have to give them what they want, because this person does not want you to be successful. We have the Six of Wands and we have the World card. You are on the brink, you are on the cusp of something magical, right? This is a life transformative period that you are entering right now, a life transformative cycle. And spirit is saying that if you tell this person, they will find a way to sabotage it. They don't want you to experience this success. They don't want you to be visible. They don't want you to be seen. They don't want you to be respected for your skills and talents. They don't want you to get that degree. They don't want you to get that master's or whatever it is. They don't want you to have that relationship. And if you tell this person about what you're going to do, I kind of let the cat out of the bag about what you are going to achieve. These things will not transpire for you. Hence why we've got the cards in the reverse, right? It's all in the ethers right now. If you tell this person, I'm not saying this person's, is a god or something like this, but this person has a lot of bad luck and a lot of ill intentions in regards to you. They're going to come in, rushing in, maybe giving information to you about what's going on in their life. And their life is very chaotic. So when they hear about what it is that you want to do, they're going to feel a sense of jealousy, because to them you seem very balanced. You know where you're going in life. They are all over the place. Love life is in a shambles, careers all up in the air, they're scattered, they're lacking direction, and so they want you to join them in their pity party. Yeah, get it, right? No, on the real, they want you to join them in their pity party, right? And that's why we've got the Seven of Pentacles in the reverse. Seven of Pentacles talks about someone investing, someone being very focused, someone being very diligent, with the Eight of Pentacles as well. They're not investing in anything that's going to gain them profit in the now anyway. So if they hear that, yeah, I'm going to do this new project, or I met this person that's going to help me in the studio, or this person's going to help me with my career, they don't want to hear that. They don't want to hear that. They don't want to hear that. So spirit is saying, do not feed them any information at all. They need to be in hermit mode. They need to leave you alone and go away, because this person is a walking disaster. They have sabotaged you in the past. For some of you, this could be a family member or someone that you view like family, and they have caused major endings with the Ten of Swords in your life. How do they do it? I ask spirit. They blocked you. They may have told you not to go towards someone, not to go towards a offer, or they may have blocked an offer. You may have said something about wanting to do something, and they knew, they had the links basically, and they blocked you from connecting with someone. They blocked you out of networking with people at a certain group, club, organization, a person. They sabotaged you, and it derailed your destiny somewhat. And they slept well at night. They didn't care. They thought, yep, I'm in control. They're not making it before me. So even if this person comes with their sob story, don't believe them. They don't want you to expand. They want to humble you. They're jealous of you. They are going to try and, put a spanner in the works, because they don't want you to be seen. There's something about them not wanting you to be seen. So put this person on an information diet. Okay? And I'll speak to you soon. I love you guys. I want the best for you. Peace out.